Mail time. Alright, so I haven't done one of these in a while, and apparently people like watching other people open mail on the internet. So let's go ahead and take a look. This package is going to be from Victory Arms, and honestly, I don't remember what's in here, so let's find out together. Alright, so I'm here at work, so please forgive the lack of production and lighting, etc., etc. Let's get in here and take a look and see what we got.
So again, this is Victory Arms. It's a long box, but not too long. So actually, I really don't know what this is. I was out of town for a while and just got back. So let's see what's going on inside.
Pretty sure it's, well, honestly, I have no idea. Okay, so let's jump in and take a look. This is packed really well, so thank you, Victory. Okay, so the first item, all right. Yeah, these are gonna be, this is awesome. I've been meaning to order these for a while. These are gonna be 2 Swiss cleaning kits. These are really cheap. Well, I should say, these are really inexpensive, but great products. And look at this. Great quality from the Swiss, as always. And let me see what these cost. These were $10 a piece, so definitely worth it. And I'm hoping there's some original Swiss grease in here. Oh yeah, for my K31. So that's awesome. This is a full container here, and it looks like maybe even 2 of them. Yep. Wow. So that's worth the $10 right there. That's excellent. Excellent. So that's exciting. And I got an extra one, and it's like some oil bottles. Did I? Okay, so these are oil bottles for Enfields. So I have that one that I'm still working on and a couple others, so these will go with that. All right, so I sort of thought there would be some bayonets in here. And let's see, first up, we have a Turkish converted M1 bayonet. And these originally started life as a German Mauser bayonet, and after World War II, I think that they standardized or modernized some things, and they converted all these. So that's sort of a interesting piece of history, and since this had the scabbard and everything, went ahead and picked up one of these because I don't collect bayonets. And it looks like we have, okay, so I believe this is a Turkish Mauser also. Oh yeah. Nice. This was listed in fair condition. I would almost call that good condition. But so this is also an M1 bayonet that was converted from a Mauser bayonet. And then this one, so this one will be the World War I. I don't remember how to pronounce that name, but that's the difference. Okay. So 2 Turkish bayonets. I thought, well, I might as well grab one of these while I have the chance before they're gone, like everything, and can't get one anymore. And it looks like finally this was an M1 bayonet. Also, this was supposed to be unmarked. This is a 10-inch. Nicely covered in Cosmoline. Grips are a little loose. Those will tighten up though. That's nice. So it'll be Nice to have a good example. Yeah, no markings. There's a serial number there. I'm sure I could determine something at some point. A little bit of a chip in the grip right there. But you can see this is covered well in cosmoline. All right, let me get this stuff laid out and we'll wrap this up. All right, well, that's everything out on a table. Let's go again over some of these prices. First of all, the Swiss cleaning kits. So glad I finally picked up one of those. 2 of those, and I might actually have to get a couple more. If you need some of this original grease, which is the shipping is just crazy from over there to get here, so this is an awesome way to get some of that. So now I'll have 4 bottles of that grease, which is great for $10 a piece, and do that deal all day, any day. And this, of course, is going to be just an unmarked M1 Grand bayonet. We'll get that cleaned up, but it looks good. Cosmoline has good coverage, and I don't see any real rust or nicks out of the blade, or a little bit right there, but that's not too bad. And let's see, let's see the price. Unmarked bayonet was $40, and then we're moving on to this Turkish M1 bayonet. This was $30. We have some cool markings here, and looks like serial number there. No serial number here. I have to see what that is. See if I can clean that up. But this looks in pretty good shape too. It's covered in its own cosmoline. It's definitely been sharpened at some point, but wood looks pretty good. I mean, this is for fair condition. And here is the sheath or scabbard, and I know that will clean up pretty well. Now next is this, what started out as a World War I German Mauser. I don't know how to pronounce this name of this type of Mauser, so I'm not going to butcher it, but I'll put it in there. And this is just a cool piece of history that they converted at least once. So I thought I'd grab one of those. And this scabbard looks pretty nice. You know, everything needs to be cleaned up, and that's to be expected. So, and of course, these oilers for the, here's just plastic. This scoop is nice though. Plastic oilers for the Enfields. So in terms of prices, we have the unmarked bayonet, which was $40. The fair condition Turkish was $30. This conversion was $35. The Swiss cleaning kits were $10 a piece, and these oil bottles were $1. So overall, pretty great score from Victory.